We're off. Go! Good job.
Let's do it again.
Let's go. We are at the Leesburg Animal Park. Welcome back to Flowing with the Finny.
You ready to have some fun?
Let's do it. It's a squirrel monkey.
Yeah, so climb and jump. Look, you saw him jump?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's one
This
up
one
here
up top.
too.
Wow. This is cute.
Yeah, two-toed sloth.
Two-toed sloth. Oh, I see a hand in the crate.
Just hanging around.
You see in there?
Yeah.
Look at that python. That's a green tree.
Oh, goodness,
it's hard to read
big.
it. Green tree python.
Yeah.
You see that snake?
Yeah.
All right, and Kadynce, this is a leaf-tailed gecko. Look at that.
Where is the gecko?
On the glass right here, look.
Ew, look at his tail.
Wow.
Ew, look at he's looking at me.
That's kind of cool.
Let's go this way.
No, we're going to go the other way.
Oh
Let's go that way.
Oh my god.
A turkey over here. Look how big that is. That turkey is almost as tall as you. Look. Look how tall that turkey is.
Gobble, gobble.
Isn't that cool? Look at all those feathers.
He's looking at me.
He looking at you?
Oh, they look so cute.
They're cool. You want to feed them?
Yeah.
Okay, you got to put a flat hand. There's the food.
You not gonna eat my hand?
All right, put some in your hand.
Eat your hands.
All right, go ahead. Now you got to feed them.
Just flat, just like that.
Wow, good job.
Okay, next.
You going to feed some more?
Put your hand flat, flat. There you go.
Good job, baby.
Feed this one.
Dad, it's your turn.
My turn.
See
Here,
how
hold
he...
that for me.
Okay. Look, Dad, he's ready to eat.
I
Can I
know.
pet him? Aw, good boy.
Yep.
Daddy, let's see what it says. Pet him.
That's cool, right?
You see him standing up high?
Uh-huh.
He's tall. And I think he's hungry. Good job, baby.
Yeah.
What does that feel like, Kadynce?
It feels like a goat or a kangaroo.
Like a goat? Look at me. It feels like a goat.
Yeah.
What does the tongue feel like?
His tongue feels
Feels
like...
rough to me. What does it feel like to you?
Feels like... Feels funny.
Look at that baby.
No, we need to go in the bar. Look, Mommy.
That's a small one, right? Don't touch, don't touch. You have to keep flat hands, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Want to do some? Here, let me help you. Put this in your hand, we'll do some more.
Tamami and Sienna are hanging out outside, but Daddy and Kadynce are in the contact area. This is my friend here. Keeps coming over.
You want to see if you can brush him?
That's a poop in here. Yeah, get away from these poops.
Kadynce is afraid of the poop.
No more poopies.
What do you say?
No more poopies for me.
No more poo-poo?
You don't like the poop?
I think
You have
Daddy, I think that's a rooster. And I think Daddy
rooster?
might have worn the wrong shoes for this type of
Yeah.
adventure. Let me
Probably.
see Daddy's shoes for the...
Probably wore the wrong ones. So far, so good, but I did just walk in a whole lot of poop, so we'll see how they look at the end.
This is giant tortoises. Look how big. They are huge. Giant tortoises. Look how big. What do you think, Kadynce?
Good.
It's good.
Big old turtle.
Yeah.
I don't know how old they are.
Me too.
I don't know.
I can count.
All right, so the biggest tortoise, his name is Jethro.
Oh,
and he weighs
Jethro.
450 pounds, and he was born around 1910. That means he's about 113 years old.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Okay, and the smaller one, her name is Jade. She weighs about 250
What is
pounds,
that?
and she was born in 1970.
Look at
Yeah, they said they can live to be at least 100 years old. Their maximum lifespan is unknown, but they could be as old as 250 years old.
That's fun.
And it says they're not afraid of people.
Oh.
Came back over to the tortoises because Daddy kind of wanted to touch a little bit. I don't know if you're allowed to touch,
I don't see
so
anything
don't
that
try
says-
this at home.
I don't see anything that says don't touch. So we're
It
gonna
says
try.
don't feed him, but it does not say don't touch. Kadynce, I think that he might think that you have a snack. Look at those pretty colors.
I don't have no snack.
You ran out of snackies?
You just gave it all to the other animal.
Yeah, I think we gave all
Look at
the,
him
look at him running. We gave all the snackies to the goats. You want to go down there and see all of them?
No, yeah.
Come on,
let's do
this
it.
way.
Yeah.
Look at all of these llamas.
Say hi.
Kadynce, you remember when we took pictures with the alpacas?
Yeah.
Did the alpaca look like this?
Yeah.
He looked a little bit like this.
Yeah, there was 2 of them.
Oh.
Aren't they so cool? Look how calm they look. And that one is eating. They have big eyes and long eyelashes.
You might like eyelash.
Sienna just fell asleep. There's Daddy and Kadynce. And I see a bird over here. Oh, 2 birds?
I guess what?
What?
Look at that. See?
What kind of birds, Daddy?
It's called a macaw.
Macaws?
Yeah. You want to send a picture to them?
There they are. I see a red one. And that one is blue and yellow.
Can you see?
You like those birds?
Macaws are types of parrots.
Carrot. I'm a female.
They live anywhere from Mexico.
Now we're in the barn. Look at these cool lights. I see some peacocks over here. This is sheep and lambs. A pygmy goat. Let's see. Oh, look at that one. He's looking at Kadynce. There's a little one. What do you see, Daddy? What do you see?
And a white pig.
Oh, pigs. Oh, I see the pigs. They're sleeping. He scared you?
These are pot-bellied pigs.
Look,
donkey, sure.
donkeys. Remember we saw donkeys at the zoo the other day?
Yeah. Did they eat this?
No, this one says do not feed.
Nope.
This animal is on a special diet,
put that
so no,
down.
you can't feed him.
Go ahead, put that down.
Put that one down, please.
Look, that's like from Shrek.
Let's see what else we got in here.
Hi, donkey.
I got meat.
Wow, emu.
Ooh, cool. Those are taller than you, Kadynce.
Look how tall. It says do not feed, we might bite.
All right.
Here we have a zebu. Humped cattle is another name
Baby
for it.
zebu, right in front
Let
of
me
it.
see. It's hard to see in here because they're laying down.
I see her. I see her.
There. And there's a baby. So pretty. Move your hands, please.
She looks so cute.
Yeah, that's her baby.
And when you go to the petting zoo, you have to wash your hands. Hand washing station. Oh, look at these cool houses, Kadynce. Look how small. Those look like your size houses.
Let's
Go over there. Let's look at them. Come on. Go stand on the porch so I can take your picture.
Where's in there?
Just stand on the porch. It's a swing. Look at that cute swing.
Look.
Go ahead, sit on it.
You look for kids.
That's so cute.
It's for kids.
It's for kids.
House.
Now we came in the house. Oh, it's a small house.
Look at my house.
And there's a ladder.
Let's see my climb on me.
And I see Daddy.
Where? Let's close my door.
Close the door.
See ya.
Well, what are we gonna do in here?
I know.
What? You're gonna climb the ladder? Be careful, please.
Oh, I see something. It's the roof. Look. Come here, guys. If you come and see something. See?
Oh, there's a loft up there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm keep going.
All right, let's go see something else. And here's another house. This one is smaller than the last one.
Look.
What? It's a window. It's a heart.
Yeah.
Let's see another one. Come on, I see another one. Isn't that so cute? Oh, that's a farm door. That's so cute.
Let's go. Come here, guys.
Okay, go ahead.
Come on in.
Come on in. Welcome to Kadynce's house. Look, see, and then you can still talk out at the top. Hi, Kadynce. Oh, you're closing us out? Okay.
I'm going to tell you.
She's in the window. Ah! I see you. Look at those pretty flowers.
These are my flowers.
I think there's another house. Come on.
Okay, come out.
I see one more house. And I think the last house might have a chair. A hay chair. Come on.
Think so?
Look, I see a hay chair. Go ahead, go in. Hay chair. Sit down.
Where?
On the chair.
Where's the chair?
It's made of hay.
Hey.
Right there, sit down. Hay chair. Look at these cool bounce houses. And there's camels over there. You see camels?
Yeah.
What do you want to do first?
I'm going to show you.
I can't hear you. You're too far.
I'm going to show you guys.
Okay, let's see what you want to do first. Be careful on the hill. Yep, you gotta take your shoes off first. Bye, Elsa. Bye, Anna. You gotta wait here.
I remember this from last time.
Come on. All right, so you gotta go up this side, over here. You gotta climb all the way up to the top and slide down. All right, let's do it. You can do it.
Want some help?
Give her a boost, Daddy.
1, 2.
All right, let's see how fast you can do it. Climb up. Use the ropes.
There you go.
It's okay. You can do it. We're right here. Yeah, no reason to be scared. You're almost there now.
Yep. Got it.
Woo!
Keep going. You did it.
All right, come down the slide.
You're okay. It's right here.
Kadynce is scary, but it's okay. Come on. Come down the slide. You did it!
Yeah!
This one is like an obstacle course. You gotta run through. It's just a fly. Go ahead.
How fast you can go.
See, it's gone. You gotta run through there fast. It's a race.
Go, go, go.
What's next? I don't see her yet. There she is. Keep coming.
Run, run, run.
You got it. Now you gotta stand up. Go through those.
Hurry, hurry.
Run, run, run. Go, push them, push them. Keep going. You're almost at the finish line. Run, run, run!
Go, faster!
And now you gotta hop through these. Hop through them. 1, 2, 3. You're the winner!
Hey, last time.
All right, the last time it was 41 seconds, right?
41 seconds.
41 seconds. Let's see if you can do it faster.
Go.
Go fast. She's moving fast this time. Oh, she's already in the second part. Go, go, go. Stand up and push them. Go, go, go. She's almost done. I think this is going to be much faster than the last time. Hurry, hurry. She's coming out.
Go.
Daddy, how long was that?
30 seconds.
Wow, you're the winner. This one is a giant castle. Isn't that so cool? This is the drawbridge. And that's how you get in. And I see a horse over there. Look.
Slide.
There's a horse. Are you ready to go in there? Okay, let's take our shoes off. Let's see.
I'm gonna come.
Move over so I can see you jump.
I'm gonna come.
Oh, you're going right up the ladder, huh? Cool castle. You beat me to the bottom. I didn't even see you go down the slide. You want to do it? Go this way. It's wet. You want to do it again? Go back in. Maybe this time I can catch Kadynce on the slide. Oh, I see her. She's coming. Woo! This one looks like a train. Look how big that train is. The Pumpkin Princess. Put your face in so we can see the Pumpkin Princess. Are you tall enough? Oh, beautiful. Smile.
Pumpkin Princess Kadynce.
You want to do this train?
I want to do pictures ones because these ones are my favorite. Come on, guys.
A lot of stuff to see. See a zebra?
Yeah.
Like when we went to the zoo.
Mommy.
I see 2 more over there.
Ah!
Look at them coming over.
Mommy, I want to race.
You want to race the zebra? Who do you think will win, Kadynce or zebra? You? You gonna beat all of them? Oh, look at him. He's so pretty.
I'm gonna beat him.
You gonna beat him? I don't know. They got a lot of stripes. And they got 4 legs. They run on 4 legs. You only run on 2 legs.
Look.
Okay, that's pretty fast.
Something's already looking at you.
Oh, what? Oh, I see something back there. And look right here.
What is it?
Look, Kadynce.
Called a serpent.
Wow, look at those spots. He's got spots and stripes. His tail has stripes.
Oh, I didn't even see this one.
That's cool. Isn't that cool, Kadynce?
Wow.
You like it?
Yes.
Now Kadynce's gonna do a race car.
You said these ones?
Yeah.
Kadynce, there you go. Keep moving your feet. Keep moving your feet. No, forward.
She's having a hard time with this. Now she got the hang of it. And there's some camels here. 3 camels, I think. How tall. There's the camel. That is a big camel. Get close so I can see how tall it is next to you. Wow. That is a big camel. Look at me, baby. Kadynce.
Kadynce, I see something cool. Right over there. Come on, let's see what it is.
Hey, throw me
Ooh, that's a big bouncy. You want to bounce on that one?
Do you want to come, guys?
You want to do it?
Do it.
All right, come on. What do you see?
We were in there before, Daddy.
We did it before?
We were in there before.
It's a bunch of corn. Let me see what you got.
It looks like corn.
It is corn.
Yeah.
Look at all that corn. It's a whole bunch of corn.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Daddy.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just corn. You want to take them off? What you got? Where's your feet?
I don't know.
Try to move them.
I don't know.
Come on, let me see. There they are.
I'm shocked.
Come on. Got it.
Don't throw corn now.
It's the corn bin.
Dump it out.
Let me see.
Dump it out.
Bury your feet.
Wow.
Can you step out?
No angel? No. Corn angel.
All right, try to move your feet.
Wrong.
There you go. That's cool, right?
Let me show you how to
Go, girl. You want to lay down and do a snow angel? Or a corn angel? Yeah.
It's too hard. Very difficult. It gets stuck in the corn.
There's a lot of corn in here. What you got? Do it again.
Wow, look how much no one does.
Cool. You throw it up? Cool. Mommy's giving it a try.
My Crocs are all gone.
Where did her Crocs go? Where Mommy's shoes go? There it is.
By Eagle Squad.
Boom.
Don't be a hater. Look,
Kadynce, where'd your feet go?
they're all gone. You buried them. They're gone. Alright, toss it up. Ready? Look. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Here's your shoe. You want to try it?
Feeling corny.
Ooh.
Not on me. Where? Corn fight.
Corn fight.
Okay, I quit. You win. Here, let's bury my shoe.
Hurry.
Fast.
Hurry, bury Mommy's shoe.
Quick. Pour it on there. Uh-oh, hurry. Oh.
I still see it. Oh,
Did it.
where'd it go?
It's all gone.
got?
And we're gonna go somewhere else.
What you got? Wow. Oh no, not Elsa. Not Elsa. Kadynce, how many pieces of corn do you think are in here?
5.
5? Come on now, if there's more than 5 just right here, how many? You think maybe 500? You think 1,000? You think 1,000,000? How many you think?
I think 1,000.
Huh? 1,000? I don't know. What y'all think? How many y'all think is in here? My guess, at least 1,000,000. It's a pretty big space.
Let me see what I
The corn bin.
You see him in there?
Space has everything, even a kangaroo.
He's tucked over there in the grass.
He gave mommy an evil look.
Yeah, he was looking at me mean. I don't really like kangaroos.
Kangaroo poop.
Kadynce and Daddy are on their way up top to do this cool pumpkin slide. And it's all the way down here. They're going way up the hill. Me and Sienna are hanging out. They just got up top. They just made it. So let's see them come down the slide. What'd you think, Kadynce? It was good? You liked it?
We gotta go back up the hill if we want to do it again, right?
Gotta go back up the hill, right?
All right. Don't look like that tall, but it's a hill.
It's a giant hill.
It is a giant hill.
Yeah.
Got my legs burning. My legs are burning.
Yes, we're top of the queen.
Whew.
Yes, quick. Wow.
We made it.
Yeah.
Look how far mommy and Sienna are. All the way down there. All right, let's do it. Climb on up.
And
All right, you got it. All right, let's do it again. Here, hold on 1 second. Let me get this in here. That helps us go a little faster. All right, you ready, Kadynce?
yeah, let's do this.
All right, 3,
I got this.
2,
Wow.
1, and
Go.
we're off. Go! Good job.
Let's do it again.
Let's go.
You ready to ride the horse? You got this?
Yeah.
Look at that pretty horsey.
Look at this one right behind us.
Oh,
Look how close he is.
right here. It's right there.
Right there.
He's getting them all ready to go.
All right.
Here with both hands. You're going to throw that right leg across for me, all right? Go ahead.
Good job.
You look good in center. You're holding on tight. Ready
Excited?
to go?
Go, girl.
Is this your first time doing the personal pony ride?
She's riding that horse all by
All
herself.
by herself. We asked if she wanted me to walk next to her. She said no, she was
Yeah,
good.
she said she got it.
Pretty fun. All right. When you get up to the farm, I'm going to have you sit tight for me so I get them all.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh!
That's cool.
He's
I don't know
running.
what that is. I don't see a sign that says what it is.
It says pine cone. I think it says.
It says pine cone?
Yeah, I think it says his name is pine cone.
His name's Pine Cone? Okay. Pine Cone looked like he want to get out. I'm glad we got a fence between us.
Daddy,
What's it say?
purple? It's purple.
No, it's red. A red-tailed hawk.
No, there's purple.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, look. It's purple right on there.
Oh, it looks purple, but it's actually a red-tailed hawk.
Yes, it do look
It's a
like.
big
See
bird.
what it says.
What's it say?
It says lover bird.
It says females can weigh 2 to 3 pounds and have a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet.
Oh my gosh. Look.
Look
It's a
at
sloth.
that. It's a two-toed sloth. Look
Oh
at
my-
that face.
Oh my gosh, look at his. He's
He's
looking.
laid back. He's laying in a hammock.
Look.
That's exactly what he looks like.
So slow that moths and other bugs nest in their fur.
Ew,
It says that
yucky.
giant ground sloths once existed that weighed as much as trucks.
Ew.
Two-toed sloth.
Yeah, last time we came over here, it was over here in the crate.
Yeah. Sienna's awake for this part.
A snake here.
Is a snake over there?
Yep.
I see the snake. The snake didn't move.
This one over here moves a little bit. You can't really see it now.
Oh, I see that sloth again. That's cool. Look at him holding onto the tree.
Closed his
Cool.
eyes.
Just resting from all my rest.
Yeah, he's laying in a hammock.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right?
Yep. Go somewhere else. We're going to show you where you're going with me. Can I go?
Look at him with his tongue out.
yawn.
Yawning.
A big slow yawn.
I think that means it's nap time.
Yeah.
What do you think, Kadynce?
I think that's going to be good. Let's
It's
do
good
it.
for him.
Yeah, it says they move so slowly that that algae grows in their fur.
You think you want that one already? Out of all of these pumpkins, you picked one? Okay. Kadynce.
Kadynce.
All finished.
All done.
At the Leesburg Animal Park.
All done.
Kadynce, what was your favorite part?
Eels, the monkeys.
The monkeys.
Daddy?
For me, probably the monkeys because they were moving around a lot. The sloth moved a lot,
I like the
surprisingly.
sloth and the zebra.
Yeah. Oh, and Kadynce rode a horse. That was pretty
The
cool.
horse was cool too.
And she did it all by herself.
And the horse's name was Sir.
Yeah. Yep.
That's
that
pretty
was,
cool.
That was cool.
And now we're all finished. And Daddy, how did your shoes make out? Because you wore all white shoes
Yeah.
to a
probably
petting
wasn't-
zoo.
That wasn't a good idea. I didn't think about it.
Guess what?
Yeah,
They didn't. I'm gonna need
Too
to.
great.
I'm gonna need to get a toothbrush or something to clean them out. So.
They don't look
Ew,
so great.
no
Yeah,
toothbrush.
not a good one. An old
Yeah,
toothbrush.
shoe brush.
Yeah, but it's all right.
We
It'll
had a
work.
good time though. It was
Yep.
a fun adventure, right, Kadynce?
Yeah!
All right, like and subscribe, y'all.
Like and subscribe.
Flown with the Finny. See y'all.
Bye.